Hey there, friend. Have you ever heard of robotics and automation? No? Well, let me tell you, it's a pretty cool topic. Don't worry if you're not a tech-savvy person, I'm here to explain it to you in simple terms with some real-world examples. Firstly, robotics is basically the study of robots and how they work. You might think robots are only found in sci-fi movies or in laboratories, but that's not true. Robots are everywhere around us. For instance, have you ever heard of a Roomba? It's a small robot that vacuums your house. That's right, you don't have to lift a finger anymore. Automation, on the other hand, is when machines and computers take over tasks that were previously done by humans. This is happening more and more in different industries. For instance, self-checkout machines at the grocery store are a form of automation. It saves time and money for the store while also making the process more efficient for customers. Now, I know what you're thinking, will robots take over our jobs? Absolutely. Automation of some jobs does not necessarily equate to unemployment for us. There will always be a need for human skills and creativity. Plus, we can always learn new skills to adapt to the changing job market. So, robotics and automation may sound scary, but it's actually pretty exciting. Imagine a future where robots do all the tedious work, and we can focus on more important things like creativity and innovation. It's like having a personal assistant who can do anything you ask them to do. In conclusion, robotics and automation are changing the game in a big way, and it's a topic we should all be excited about. So, let's embrace the future with open arms and let the robots do the work for us. But, just in case they ever turn against us, remember to keep a good pair of running shoes handy. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments below.